Are you looking for a solution to help you breathe better at night and stop snoring? Wake up feeling refreshed and ready for the day?
Just follow the simple manual included to mold the mouthpiece to your own teeth. Get a better night's sleep with SnoreDoc's Snore Remover custom fit mouthpiece. It's designed to reduce snoring by pushing the jaw forward and releasing the back of your tongue and freeing your airway and improving breathing, so you wake up feeling great after a sound night's sleep. Say yes to improved health, improved sleep quality, and a good night's sleep for everyone. Order today on snoredoc.co.uk.